Welcome back to another video, everybody. As promised, we're coming at you with an LED headlight upgrade for our 2004 Honda CR-V. This video is brought to you by the fine folks at AUTOONE.com. If you're in need of any automotive lighting equipment, be sure to check them out. They've even offered to partner up with us to offer our viewers a 15% discount. So I'll put the information in the description section below. So without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing, review, and installation. As far as packaging, I think AUTOONE LED knocked it out of the park with this. It's not overboard. It hits just right for me. You got a nice looking box here with an outside sleeve. Remove the outside sleeve, and you have a nice presentation as you pull your bulbs out. Also comes with a product manual to give you some more information about wattage, color temperature, installation instructions. QR code for warranty information. And then you have your bulbs nicely protected in the styrofoam. Very nice packaging as far as I'm concerned. Nice aluminum housing. Vents to dissipate heat. I don't know if you can see the fan down inside of there or not. And for this 2004 Honda CR-V, the high and low beam share the same bulb, so this will be a pretty quick and easy installation. If you're not sure about it, they offer you a step-by-step installation guide here. Let's get into the installation part of this video, and I'll see you outside. Lucky for me, on this 2004 Honda CR-V, the headlights are pretty easy to get to, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the driver's side installation. First, we're going to remove the old headlight bulb. Simply, all you got to do is unplug your factory harness, lay it to the side. There's a rubber weather seal, pull that off, and inside the headlight assembly, I can see it from right here. I don't know if you can on the camera or not, but there's a metal clip. It's like a spring-loaded clip. You just push it to the side and lift it up. And then your factory bulb will come right out. So let's grab the new bulb and compare it to the old bulb. The installation of the new bulb is just as simple as the removal of the old factory bulb. Just line up your grooves inside your headlight housing. You'll feel it lock into place. Then bring your spring clip back over into place. Lock it down. Reinstall the dust boot. Then grab your harness. You're ready to plug it back up. There we go, just like that. The light on the passenger side of this vehicle is a little harder to see because you got the power steering reservoir in the way as well as the ABS module, but it's just the same procedure as the driver's side. Got the dust cover out of the way. Unclip the spring. Remove the factory bulb. New bulb going in. Reinstall the dust cover. And reinstall the plug. And just like that, we're done with the installation process. So now the fun part, we get to do a before and after comparison and do a road test on these things when it gets dark. So stay tuned. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. We want to send a huge shout out to AUTOONE for sending these headlights out for us to test. If you need any automotive lighting equipment, be sure to check those people out. And don't forget about our 15% discount. We appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.